Is that good? Mmm.
Eat it up. Eat it up.
You've got a pretty firm
Eat
grip
it
on
up.
it.
Good, huh? Good stuff.
You're getting full?
Exactly.
Are you done? We can save it for later.
Can I have some?
No, Charlie, don't make him
Can I have
cry.
some?
Do not make
Can I
him
have some?
cry. Oh,
what a
nice boy.
Thank you.
So nice.
There you go. All done?
I think you better put it back on his plate.
You want more? Do you want more? He's done.
Pick your fingers, you get plenty.